I don't know why I disappoint myself every single time by saying that I am going to be on a book buying ban, and then I end up buying these many books. So, hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel Rants by Day. And on today's video, we are going to be talking about few of the books that I have got from College Street in the past 1 month. That is crazy, I know. And yeah, if you know me personally or my friend, then you know that how much I love College Street. When I just feel clueless, I find myself in College Street buying books. So that makes me kind of happy, a lot happy. So yeah, I have visited twice in the past 1 month and bought these many books. So yeah, let's get into the video, and I'm gonna be giving you a cute chotusa haul of what are the books that I got from there. First up, we have Perks of Being a Wallflower. I have been wanting to buy this book for a really long time. I have heard really great things about this book, so I wanted to try my hands on it. So yeah, I have gotten this for rupees 100. So there was a store where they were selling books for 100. So I have gotten 4 books from them, and the second book is The Paris Apartment. I have seen a lot of reviews and a lot of talking on Bookstagram. I haven't read the reviews. I just saw this book and I thought that, oh, I have seen it somewhere, so I got it for myself. And then I have got 2 books by Kiran Desai. This is, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but it's called Halabalu in the Guava Orchard. I don't know. Please, you can judge me though. This is by Kiran Desai. Yeah, that is that. And the final book is Inheritance of Loss by Kiran Desai. That is crazy that I have gotten this for rupees 100. And all of these are in pretty good condition, even though they are pre-loved, but they are in good condition. And I got quite few books. First up, we have Cecilia Ahern's book, P.S. I Love You, and If You Could See Me Now. So my sister thinks that P.S. I Love You is like one of the greatest books ever written and one of the greatest movies ever made. So it makes her cry every time. So I have gotten this book. I already had one copy with me, but I got this book because it has 2 books in it, and it was for 100. So I thought it was a steal deal. So I got in this. It's pretty old though, but the condition is great. Then I got How to Read a Book. One was sitting in my wish list for a really long time, and I couldn't believe that I was getting it for 100. So I got it. It's like pretty new though. Like it just has some spots. That's it. Then I have got Mahabharata by C. Rajagopalachari. This is the book. It's pretty famous. I have also heard good things about this author and this particular edition of the book. So I have gotten that. And then I saw this Chunky Mama. It's David Copperfield by Charles Dickens. This is a black classic. I don't know. I have been getting a little fond over black classics now. You know my episode with Penguin Select Classics. It's right there. Ooh, right there. Yeah. So so there are books which are not available in Select Classics edition, which are available in this black classics. So I find it very cool and aesthetic. So I got this in the streets of College Street, and then I started bargaining with the uncle. Classic me. And then I also found Anna Karenina by Leo Tolstoy, which is from the same edition. It's a little old. And then I couldn't stop myself, and I bought these 3 books from the same store. I got it for rupees 430. I don't know if I overpaid, underpaid. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. So Anna Karenina was sitting on my wish list as well. I have a different edition of it, but I wanted to have this particular edition. It's super aesthetic. Look at the cover. Oh my god. It kind of, it's giving like, you know what I mean? So just because he had Anna Karenina, I couldn't just walk away from the store. Okay, I just had to get it. So I paid like 430 for these 3 books. The final book I got this book, it's called Dakatir Golpo. It's by Obhijan Publication. I have gotten this for probably 70 rupees because it was pretty damaged because of the rain that happened in Calcutta in September 2025. You can see, yeah, it's soaked in rain. But yeah, it is a collection of all the Dakatir Golpos in here with all the authors. So yeah, that was pretty much it with the video. Thank you so much for watching, and sorry for being inconsistent. I know I promise you guys that I will be consistent, but then I ghost you, which is very unhealthy. We are in a toxic unhealthy relationship, but you love me and I love you too, so it's fine. We'll fix it. We can fix this attitude of mine of not being consistent enough over here. So yeah, that's it for today's video. We are gonna meet very very soon. I promise. I promise you guys. I promise. I'm reading a lot though, and I'm planning some reviews, some really book versus movie versus show sort of situation videos. So yeah, see you on the next one. Bye.